Hi, this is SLKJDFV from the Unity community, and I think this is my fourth update video for the um, Chunk Dungeon Editor. I actually did a complete, well, not a complete rewrite, but a really big rewrite. I had to delete and recreate a bunch of different scripts. So I'm still working, so I have to re-implement the in-scene editor, but um, I actually got it to where you can edit the chunks in the game, but I ran into an odd um, anomaly with, I think it's called an anomaly, but anyways, I ran into an odd thing with chunks. When they would update, they would not take into account the other chunks, so they would still be rendering their sides, even though they cannot be seen. I have now fixed this error, and this no longer happens. So that's a big update there. I also fixed a glitch where when you would start editing on one chunk, it would cause another chunk to change something. I pretty much ironed that out. So I'm using a first-person controller to edit the chunks now. So this is just showing you guys that not only can you edit the chunks within the editor, you can also edit them in game mode if you want. So this is actually a really nice thing. So if you want, I can do another video using the third-person controller. See, you can even create blocks. Although distance isn't taken into account, so I can just keep pulling them away and adding them and whatnot. In this one, I have 9 chunks, 16 by 16 by 16. So I do have one glitch that's still an issue that I'm working on, and that's this right here. Sometimes chunks don't always update properly, but as soon as you change a block in that chunk, it'll fix itself. So let's see if I can recreate it again. Not there. Let's try this one. Yep, see right there. Uh-oh. And fixed. That glitch will be fixed in due time, so don't worry about that. That pretty much wraps it up for that. I just wanted to show you guys that the current progress that I've gotten done. The other thing that I did was originally when you would click the left or right mouse button in game, it would every single chunk would do a ray cast from the camera position. That's not necessary. I made it so the chunk master casts just one ray and gets the data that it needs. So, and that's about it there. That's just a little test thing. So when you create it, so when you click the initialize button, it creates all the chunks starting at 0, 0. And then it goes to 0, 16, or whatever your chunk size is. It goes from 0, then skips to the next chunk size, and so forth. You can have chunks of any size that you want, I believe. Just keep in mind that Unity has a limit of 65,000 verts per model. So that does limit you. I think the max is 32 by 32. So just keep that in mind. So let's actually create 32 by 32, 2 by 2. Just click initialize. Oh, go in here and delete all these chunks. And then just click initialize. And then now you just click initialize, 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 and initialize. I will be adding it back in multiple object editing. I took it out because of a weird glitch, but I'm pretty sure I know how to fix it now. So I will be adding in multiple object editing, so you can just highlight all. So you will be able to highlight all of these and just click initialize once. Don't forget to click save chunk before going into play mode. Otherwise, you're going to get a whole bunch of errors and possibly some misrendered chunks, which will also be fixed later on. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that what I've gotten done with the player chunk editing so far, and to also update you guys that I have fixed the quite a few of the glitches with chunk editing inside of play mode. I don't think I've shown you chunk editing inside play mode yet, so well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna wrap it up. Bye bye.